Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you step by step how to boost your internet speed. You get that right. Whether you're using the Ethernet cable or you're using a Wi-Fi, I'm going to share with you the ways how you can boost your internet speed. With that said, let's head over to my computer screen so that I can show you step by step how to do this. Let's go. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do on your Windows computer, just simply click the start button and type network, right? So once you type network, you will see view network connections and you want to open that. Now, as I mentioned before, I'll be showing you how to speed up your Wi-Fi, and if you're connected by the Ethernet cable, I'll show you how to do that as well. Now, to start with the Wi-Fi connection, first thing you want to do is you want to right click on the Wi-Fi connection and go to properties. Then where you have the Internet Protocol version 4, you want to simply click on this and click properties. And here under where you have the obtain DNS server, automatically you want to use the following DNS. And here you will simply type 1.1.1.1. And for the alternative DNS, you simply want to put 1.0.0.1. And this is a cloud DNS. It's a very good DNS and it's very reliable. It's a great one. Definitely a great cloud DNS option that you should be using. An alternative is to also use Google DNS, and this is 8.8.8.8. And for the alternative, you will use 8.8.4.4. So that's for the Google DNS. Now I'll put all of these in the description of this video. Now once you do that, just simply go ahead and click OK, and then you want to go ahead and close this section. Now once you do that, you want to also go ahead and right click again and click properties, and this time you want to choose configure right here. So you want to go ahead and click configure here, and then under advanced you want to go ahead and select that. And there are a few things to change here, and I will go through each of them so that you can ensure that you have all of these selected and set up. Now the first thing you want to do under the channel width for 2.4 gigahertz, you want to make sure this is on auto, and for the 5 gig you want to ensure that this is also on auto. Now for the fat channel intolerance, you want to make sure that this is disabled. It should always be disabled, so you want to make sure that this is disabled. With this disabled, it will ensure that you have a better internet connection, so you want to make sure that this is currently disabled, right? The next thing that you want to ensure that you fix here is the preferred band. Now right here you see that I have no preference, but you want to ensure that you select 5 gigahertz band or 2 gigahertz. No, the best one is obviously the 5 gigahertz. So if your internet support 5 gigahertz, you want to go ahead and you want to select the 5 gigahertz, right? The next one is the roaming aggressiveness. Now for the roaming aggressiveness, if your Wi-Fi router is next to you, or let's say within 10 meters from where you are, you want to select the lowest, because this would give you the fastest and the most reliable connection. If it's, let's say, within the next few rooms or somewhere a little bit distance from you but not so far, you want to set it to lowest. Now where I am right now, my router is in the next room, but it's just right behind the wall, so I can easily select the lowest as well. Once you do this, you want to go ahead and you click OK. You want to simply go ahead and you want to restart your computer. Once you go ahead and restart your computer, you want to go ahead and connect to the Wi-Fi, which is the 5 gigahertz one that you currently have. And this will definitely boost your internet speed and the performance. Alright guys, so if you're currently using the Ethernet cable, then what you want to do, you want to right click on the Ethernet and you want to go to properties. Now once you're in properties, you want to simply click on configure, and you want to go to power management, and you want to ensure that allow the computer to turn off this device to save power is unchecked. Once you do that, you want to also go to advanced, and here under advanced you want to look for the option that says speed and duplex. Now here under value, you want to either select either 100 megabytes full duplex or 1 gig full duplex. And in order to determine this, you need to test your internet speed connection. So as you can see, I've tested my internet connection here with speedtest.net, right? And you can see that my download speed and my upload speed is just under 100 megabits per second, right? So this is what you will do. Under the values here, I would select 100 megabits full duplex because my internet speed is not over 100 megabits per second. If I have something like 200 or 300 or even more megabits per second, then you want to go ahead and you want to select the 1 gigabyte full duplex. But in my case, as you saw, I have just about 94 megabits per second. I will select the 100 megabits full duplex. And once I do that, I go ahead and select OK. And then all I need to do is just simply restart my computer. And here you have it, guys. I really hope this was very helpful to you. And if you do, let me know in the comments below if this works and if it literally speeds up your internet connection. I'm super excited and I really love to know that. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to Drew Tutorials. I'm Andrew. And if you enjoy these kind of videos, feel free to subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every single week, just like this one. See you next time.